Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can share your dashboards and sheets on Spreadsheet with externals. So for example, with users here on Smartsheet that are not members of your workspace. So let us dive right into it and show you how this can be done. So head over to Smartsheet, log into your account and navigate to workspace here, select your workspace. And here guys, head over to the workspace item you would like to share. So let me go with that project sheet here. So there are two ways how you can do this, guys. So what you want to do is click into that arrow down icon next to share in the top right corner. And you can either share your entire workspace content with all workspace items like your dashboards, projects, sheets, basically everything according to this description, everything in the given workspace by clicking into it, or share only a specific sheet. So let me go with that project sheet here by clicking into sheet here. And after that, guys, you will see a list of all people or users here with access, usually members of your workspace. But you may also share the given project or sheet with, as previously mentioned, users from outside your workspace by using a shareable link here. However, guys, bear in mind that these users will, for obvious reasons, need their own Smartsheet account. They don't need to be a member of your workspace, but they will need to have access to their own Smartsheet account, of course. So click into that button here, copy link, and that's it. After that, you may share that link, for example, with the given user via a direct messaging service to invite him or her to that specific project sheet here. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. You may also send an invitation via email by clicking into this button here and assign a role, like for example, editor can share, editor without sharing permission, viewer, commenter, or make someone even an admin. And after that, simply click into share here to invite the given user to your sheet. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.